Okay, everybody, today we're going to talk about mixing gas and how to mix gas. Here in Vancouver, Canada, our gasoline is regular 87 plus 10% ethanol at any gas station, whether it's Shell, Petro-Canada, Super Save, or Chevron. The type of oil that you're going to want to use is 2-cycle or 2-stroke synthetic air-cooled engine oil. And the reason why is because when you burn that in your cylinder, you get a low ash, which means there's a low carbon deposits, which means there's no crud on your piston. This is the generic type of engine oil that you can get at Walmart. I only recommend using this if you are rebuilding your engines and getting them started for the first time to ensure that your engine runs. If you're going to be doing it all the time, then I would highly suggest using the actual manufacturer's suggested 2-cycle engine oil. Now let's get to the math. Okay, so before we go any further, this is 1 US gallon, which is equal to that many liters. Sometimes when you look at the end of your oil, you can see that there's one side for milliliters and one side for ounces, okay? So we're also going to look at gallon equals 128 fluid ounces. So let's say your manufacturer suggested engine says that you need 40 to 1 gas. Okay, so what that means is this is gas, this is oil. Okay, for every 40 parts gas, you need 1 part oil. Now let's say that you have 1 liter gas. You have 1 liter gas. Okay, so what that converts to is 1,000 milliliters. So because you want to know how much oil to put into this gas, you're going to go 40 gas. And you have 1,000 milliliters of gas in your gas can. So 1,000. And you want to know, this is your unknown. You want to know how much oil to put into that. So you multiply these two together, you get 40x equals, you multiply these two together, you get 1,000 milliliters. Okay, so you go x equals 1,000 over 40. It's 0, 0, 100 divided by 24 equals 25. So if you have 1 liter of gas and you have 40 to 1 mix, you're going to want to put in 25 milliliters of oil into that. Okay, what if it's in ounces? Okay, so we gotta do it again. So 40 to 1, 40 over 1 gas oil equals let's say 1 gallon. With 1 gallon, which is 128 fluid ounces. So 128 over x. Okay, so you multiply these two, 40x. Multiply these two, 128. X equals 128 mil fluid ounces over 40. Whoops. 40. X equals, and if I was to have a calculator, you would get something like 3.2 ounces. So that is your answer. 3.2 ounces in 1 gallon of gas. So that means 3.2 ounces of oil in 1 gallon of gas. Okay, now if we were to do the same thing with 50 to 1 and 32 to 1, it is the exact same thing. Okay, so for those of you that need to review your math, this is exactly how you do it. So we're going to do it one more time. 50 to 1. So we have, let's say we have 5 liters gas. 5 liters gas. And we want to mix it 50 to 1. So we have 50 to 1. That's a ratio. And what does that mean? 50 gas to 1 oil equals, we said 5 liters, so 5,000 milliliters. And this is our unknown, okay? So 50, multiply these two, X equals, multiply these two, 5,000. Keep the prefixes. X equals 5,000 over 50. 0, 0, 500 over 5. X equals 100 milliliters. So, in a 5-liter gas tank, you're going to need 100 milliliters of oil to mix 50 to 1. Do you understand? Keep this in mind. This is liters, this is ounces. Liters, ounces, okay? This is exactly true when you are doing this entire equation. Ladies and gentlemen, that is exactly how you mix gas. Okay? So, I hope that helps everybody. If not, I can do it again. Have a good day.